दोस्तों, किसी बुक को पढ़ने का इंटरेस्ट बहुत बढ़ जाता है यदि हमें पहले से मालूम है कि उस बुक में क्या है, उस बुक का कंटेंट क्या है। तो आज मैं आपको मैथमेटिक्स 10th क्लास बुक का कंटेंट बताने वाला हूँ कि इसमें इस बुक में क्या है। दिस बुक इज एनसीईआरटी मैथमेटिक्स बुक। दिस बुक इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ 15 chapters. This is having 15 chapters where chapter 1 is real numbers. In real numbers you will study the Euclid's division lemma, the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, revision of irrational numbers and rational numbers. Then second chapter is polynomials. In polynomials you will study the geometrical meaning of the zeros of polynomials, relationship between zeros and coefficients of polynomials, division of algorithm for polynomials. Then chapter 3 is pair of linear equations in two variables. In this chapter you will study pair of linear equations in two variables, graphical method of solution of pair of linear equations, substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method of solving the pair of linear equations in two variables. Then next chapter is quadratic equation. In quadratic equation you will study the solution of quadratic equation by factorization, also by completing the square method, also by the quadratic formula, and also you will study nature of roots. चैप्टर 5 इज अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, जिसे एपी भी बोलते हैं। इसमें आप पढ़ेंगे nth टर्म ऑफ द एपी एंड सम ऑफ n टर्म्स ऑफ एपी एंड देयर एप्लीकेशंस। Then chapter 6 is triangles. In triangles chapter you will study similar figures, similarity of triangles, criteria for similar triangles, areas of similar triangles and Pythagoras theorem. The chapter 7 is coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry you will study distance formula, section formula and area of triangle. Then chapter 8. Chapter 8 is introduction to trigonometry. In introduction to trigonometry you will study trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles and trigonometric identities. Then chapter 9 is some applications of trigonometry. There you will study the sums of heights and distance, how to find height of the tower, height of the building, height of the pole, and what is the distance of building from any object or any point. Like that sums will be there. With the help of trigonometry you will have to solve. Chapter 10 is circles. In circles you will study tangents to the circle and number of tangents from a point on a circle. Chapter 11 is construction. In construction you will study division of line segment, construction of tangents to a circle. Then chapter 12 is areas related to circle. In areas related to circle you will study perimeter and area of a circle, areas of sector and segment of a circle, areas of combination of plane figures. Then chapter 13 is surface areas and volume. In surface and areas and volume you will study surface areas of a combination of solids, volume of combination of solids, conversion of solid from one shape to another and frustum of cone. Then chapter 14 is statistics. In statistics you will study mean of group data, mode of grouped data, then median of group data, graphical representation and cumulative frequency distribution of data. Then chapter 15 is probability. In probability you will study a probability a theoretical approach. So this much is given in this NCERT book of mathematics of 10th class. I hope it will increase your interest in study of this book. So thank you. Have a great day.